Earth, our home, is teeming with life. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, life finds a way to thrive. But what about our neighbor Venus? Venus is often called Earth's twin because it's similar in size and mass. However, Venus is a scorching hot planet with a toxic atmosphere. Could life ever exist in such a harsh environment? Some scientists believe it's possible that life on Venus, if it exists, might have actually originated on Earth. This idea is called Panspermia. Panspermia is the theory that life can travel through space, hitching rides on objects like meteorites and comets. Imagine a giant rock from space, a meteorite, crashing into Earth millions of years ago. The impact would be powerful, launching debris high into the atmosphere. Some of that debris, carrying tiny microscopic life forms, could escape Earth's gravity. These microscopic travelers, incredibly tough and resilient, could survive the harsh conditions of space for a very long time. Eventually, some of these Earth-originating meteorites could collide with Venus. If the conditions were right, those tiny life forms protected deep inside the meteorite might just survive the impact and find themselves on a new planet. It's like winning a cosmic lottery ticket. Comets, often called dirty snowballs, are made of ice, dust, and rock. These celestial wanderers are fascinating objects that have intrigued scientists and astronomers for centuries. Their icy surfaces and rocky cores hold secrets about the early solar system, and they are considered time capsules from the dawn of our cosmic neighborhood. They travel through space, sometimes passing close to planets. As they journey through the vastness of space, they can come into close proximity with various celestial bodies, including planets in our solar system. These close encounters can have significant effects both on the comet and the planet it passes by. Like meteorites, comets could also carry microscopic life forms from Earth. These tiny organisms, potentially trapped within the icy matrix of a comet, could survive the harsh conditions of space travel. The idea that comets could be carriers of life is a tantalizing one, suggesting that life on Earth might not be unique in the universe. Imagine a comet coming close enough to Earth to pick up some microscopic passengers, then continuing its journey through space. This scenario, while speculative, opens up the possibility that life could be spread throughout the cosmos via these icy travelers. As the comet moves away from Earth, it carries with it the potential for seeding life elsewhere. Millions of years later, this comet, carrying its precious cargo, could swing by Venus, shedding ice and dust. The gravitational pull of Venus could cause the comet to release some of its material, including any microorganisms it might be carrying. This process, known as panspermia, suggests that life could be distributed across planets and moons by comets and other celestial bodies. Some of those tiny life forms still dormant within the ice could fall onto Venus's surface. Once there, they might find themselves in an environment vastly different from Earth, yet still capable of supporting life in some form. The extreme conditions on Venus, with its high temperatures and acidic atmosphere, would challenge any potential life forms, but life has a way of adapting to even the most inhospitable environments. It might seem impossible, but life is incredibly adaptable, and even the harshest environments can sometimes harbor surprises. Extremophiles on Earth, such as those found in deep-sea hydrothermal vents or acidic hot springs, demonstrate that life can thrive in conditions once thought to be uninhabitable. If life can exist in these extreme environments on Earth, who is to say it couldn't survive on a planet like Venus, given the right circumstances? Humans have been exploring space for decades, sending probes and spacecraft to other planets. What if, unknowingly, we've been giving a free ride to microscopic hitchhikers? It's possible that spacecraft carrying tiny traces of life from Earth could have landed on Venus. While we take precautions to sterilize spacecraft, some microbes are incredibly resilient and might survive the journey. If these earthly microbes found their way onto Venus's surface, they might have adapted to the extreme conditions and begun to multiply. It's a fascinating thought. Could we have accidentally kick-started life on another planet? Section 5. A family reunion, the implications of shared ancestry on Venus. Imagine a scenario where life on Venus originated from Earth. This would be an extraordinary revelation, reshaping our understanding of life's distribution in the universe. If life on Venus did indeed originate from Earth, it would be an incredible discovery. Scientists have long speculated about the possibility of life existing on other planets, but finding a direct link between Earth and Venus would be groundbreaking. It would mean that life on Earth has relatives on another planet. This connection would suggest that the building blocks of life are more widespread than we previously thought, potentially scattered throughout our solar system and beyond. We would share a common ancestor with these Venusian life forms, making them our distant cousins in the vast cosmic family tree. This shared ancestry would open up new avenues of research, allowing scientists to compare the evolutionary paths of life on two different planets. This discovery would revolutionize our understanding of life in the universe. It would challenge our current theories and prompt us to rethink the conditions necessary for life to thrive. The scientific community would be abuzz with excitement, eager to explore the implications of this newfound connection. It would mean that life is not limited to Earth, but could be spread throughout the cosmos, waiting to be found. This realization would inspire a new era of space exploration, with missions designed to seek out life on other planets and moons within our solar system and beyond. The implications for astrobiology, the study of life beyond Earth, would be enormous. Researchers would have a new focus, aiming to understand how life can adapt to different environments and what this means for the potential habitability of other worlds. The discovery of shared ancestry with Venusian life forms would be a monumental step forward in our quest to understand our place in the universe. Section 6. The Search for Answers, Unraveling the Mysteries of Life's Origins. The cosmos has always fascinated humanity, and the quest to understand our place in the universe is as old as civilization itself. One of the most profound questions we face is the origin of life. How did life begin on Earth, and could it have started elsewhere in the cosmos? The possibility of panspermia raises more questions than it answers. This theory suggests that life, or at least the building blocks of life, might have originated elsewhere in the universe and traveled to Earth via comets or meteorites. But if this is true, it leads us to wonder about the origins of life on those distant celestial bodies. How did life originate on Earth in the first place? The early Earth was a hostile environment with volcanic activity, a toxic atmosphere, and frequent meteorite impacts. Yet somehow, life found a way to emerge and thrive. Scientists have proposed various theories, from deep-sea hydrothermal vents to lightning-fueled chemical reactions in the primordial soup. How did it survive the journey through space? If life did come from elsewhere, it would have had to endure the harsh conditions of space travel, including extreme temperatures, radiation, and the vacuum of space. Microorganisms would need to be incredibly resilient to survive such a journey. And could life on Venus, if it exists, tell us more about the early evolution of life on our own planet? Venus, with its thick, toxic atmosphere and scorching surface temperatures, seems an unlikely place for life. However, recent studies have suggested that microbial life could potentially exist in the more temperate upper layers of its atmosphere. Finding answers to these questions will require further exploration of Venus. Missions to Venus could provide critical data about its atmosphere, surface, and potential signs of life. By studying Venus, we might gain insights into the conditions that could support life on other planets. We need to send more sophisticated missions to study its atmosphere, surface, and search for any signs of past or present life. These missions would involve advanced technology, including rovers and atmospheric probes, capable of withstanding Venus's extreme conditions. The answers we find could change our understanding of life itself. Discovering life on Venus, or even finding conditions that could support life, would have profound implications for our understanding of life's potential in the universe. It would suggest that life might be more common than we think, and that the universe could be teeming with life in places we have yet to explore. Section 7. Protecting the Cosmos. The importance of planetary protection. If panspermia is possible, it means we need to be very careful about contaminating other planets with earthly life. We don't want to accidentally introduce microbes to environments where they could disrupt any existing ecosystems. Planetary protection is crucial. Before sending spacecraft to other planets, we must take every precaution to sterilize them, ensuring they don't carry any unwanted passengers. We have a responsibility to explore the cosmos responsibly, protecting the integrity of other worlds. Section 8. A Universe of Possibilities. What panspermia means for astrobiology. The concept of panspermia opens up a universe of possibilities. If life can travel between planets, even solar systems, then the universe could be teeming with life. It means that we are not alone, and that life, in its many forms, might be far more common than we ever imagined. This realization fills us with wonder and excitement. It compels us to continue exploring, to seek out those other life forms and to unravel the mysteries of the universe. The journey of discovery has just begun.